Okay, so today we start how to create a file in Java. Let us start. Okay, first of all, I want to clear. Firstly, you have to import a package IO. Okay, input output. So java.io.star. Okay, now I create I create a function. I create an object of the file class. 1 second. File. What is happening? Yeah, it's working. File name is fi new file. Sorry. So inside this file, inside this bracket, you have to pass the address of the file where do you want to store, where do you want to create your uh, file. So I clear D drive, and my file name is stu.txt. Okay, so it's a text type file. Okay, now fi dot contain a file class contain a function. The name is create new file. So create new file. Okay, but it is showing an error unhandled exception type IO exception. Okay, it's a type. I mean to say it's a two way to clear to fix this problem. You can use the uh, throw block or try or catch block also. Okay, so I click here. Sorry, and add throw declaration. Okay, throw IO exception, it will handle automatically. And now system dot out dot print. I write in a message file created. Okay, simple code, it's a 3-line code. So just run this program. File created, and check on the location on D drive it's created or not. So where is D drive? stu. Okay, now it's a blank because I didn't write any code, I didn't write any line in the file. I just write a code for the creation of the file, right? So just go back on this code. First method to remove the error using throw exception. If you are not using, if you don't want to use throws, then you can use try and catch. Okay, try and catch. Exception ex. And if you won't show any message, and if you don't want, it's depend on you. System dot out dot print, and you can use ex dot get message. What happened? Okay, same thing. Okay, now create this file. It's a simple code, and I will clear in the next video how to write in a file. okay, and how to operate any other functions like append, delete, and many more. Okay, so I hope you learned something, and please follow this poster also. Thank you.